Range Rover Sport owners, welcome to our channel. Do you ever face these hassles? With the Range Rover Sport's relatively high ride height, it's often tricky for elder members, ladies or kids to get in and out, struggling to reach the door sills. Or when you are wearing a dress or slacks, trying to get in and out elegantly feels nearly impossible. If so, don't miss today's video. Today we are bringing you the exclusive electric side steps for Range Rover Sport. These steps solve all the above problems perfectly. When you open the door, the steps extend automatically. After closing the door, they retract with a delayed response. They installed without damaging your vehicle. Equipped with an anti-pinch function, they are safe and reliable. They significantly lower the vehicle's ground clearance, making getting and out smoother and more stable. Plus, the steps fit seamlessly with the car's body length, not affecting your vehicle's off-road capability at all. In the terms of material, these steps feature thickened aluminum alloy bracket and non-slip rubber tread. They are lightweight yet sturdy and durable. Even adults can step on them with complete stability. They also prevent mud and dirt from your shoes, from the rubber directly onto the car inner panels or the car's paintwork. So these aren't ordinary steps. They are also an extension that enhance the comfortable and luxury of your Range Rover Sport. If you want to make your Range Rover Sport more practical and imposing, then this electric side step is your best choice. Okay, that's all for today's videos. What do you think of our electric side steps? Feel free to leave your opinions in the comments. Follow me for more exciting modification accessories next time. See you in next video. Bye!